Hi, it's Erin. Today I'm going to make a quick video about the Photoshop because you can get a save 50% on Creative Cloud single apps until April 23rd. So if you're interested to get the Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere, Dreamweaver, anything you want, you can get discount today until April 23rd. So all you want to do is just click on this link and you get the discount. I highly recommend to get the Photoshop because you can do a lot of things. If you are trying to sell the ebooks, manipulating images, Amazon KDP is very popular right now. A lot of people, they are using the AI generating images and then creating coloring books and sell them on Amazon. These are the images I created. I'm going to drag and drop one of the images. As you can see, I have a sun, I do have some ink art. All I want to do is changing this image to the grayscale. What I'm going to do is use the keyboard shortcuts, Shift, Control, Alt, and B. It will automatically change to the grayscale. And I can use the reds, just play around, which one's better, which one's not good. Keyboard shortcut again, Control, Alt, and I. And this is where you can check the image size. This image is 1792 by 3600 pixels and 72 resolution. So if you want to change to 200 resolution, as you can see, the size has been changed automatically and also resolution is 200 pixels right now. Now Photoshop recently added a new feature. It's called the Preserve Details 2.0. It helps you to reduce noise. Now it's 100% as a default. If we change to decrease to 0%, as you can see, it's pixelated. If we come up to 100% again, now it's pixelated, has been removed it. Now you can save it and then you're ready to sell this image. If there is some text and you want to delete it, you can use this tool here. Just click that tool and then highlight it and it's gone. Now you have a bunch of images and you want to change all these images to the grayscale. It's very simple to do. All you want to do is go to the action here and create new, and I'll say, and hit record. I'm going to use the shortcut key again to change to the grayscale. Now this image changed to the grayscale and I will stop this record. If you click the test, which I just created right now, and then hit play button, you don't have to use the shortcuts finding any features on the top to change to a grayscale. All you want to do is click on the play button and then it will do the action that I have recorded. Now, if you want to change all these images to the grayscale at once, you can go to the file and there is automate. Click on create droplet and this is where you can save droplet into the folder. The name of the file will be the grayscale. Hit save and action is going to be test. I'm going to choose that and hit OK. When you go back to the folder, you will see this Photoshop one file here. Choose all files, all images, and drag and drop to the grayscale. Now it's doing everything automatically. It's pretty quick, right? Now all my images are a grayscale. This color is supposed to be red, but now it's a grayscale. All images doesn't have any color anymore. So I do that all the time. With this Photoshop, you can do many different things, but these are just a few features you can use. Not only that, you can remove the background, you can change the colors. If you want to add any elements to this image, you can just do or whatever. There are so many features you can use by using the Photoshop. So if you're interested to use the Photoshop or Illustrator or any other tools, why don't you try and get the discounts today? Hopefully my video helps you and get some discount from the Adobe products. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you can watch the other discounts and software review videos.